What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chase Pay. First off, we're going to talk about setting up Chase Pay. Now if you don't have the Chase Pay app, what you want to do is to go to the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices and download the Chase Pay app. And then once you have that, you want to sign into your Chase account and just link your Chase credit or debit card to your Chase Pay. Now that's all done for the setting up, and next, if you want to add cards to Chase Pay, how you're gonna do that is to tap the add card button in the Chase Pay app. Then you want to enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and the security code, and then just verify your card by entering a verification code that's going to be sent to your mobile phone or email. Now for making payments with Chase Pay, how you're gonna do that is to first open the Chase Pay app on your mobile device, and then log into your account and select the card that you want to use. So you got to choose the card you want to use for the payment, and then just enter the payment amount and select the payment method. That could be credit card or debit card, and then just authenticate the payment using your fingerprints, Face ID, or PIN. Now for using Chase Pay at merchant stores, so what you want to do is to first up look for the Chase Pay logo. So you want to check if the merchant accepts Chase Pay logo by looking out for Chase Pay logo. So once you find the logo, it means the store accepts that, and you can go ahead and open the Chase Pay app on your mobile device, and then select the card that you want to use for the payments, and then hold your device near the terminal to complete the payments, and that's done. So a couple of benefits to using Chase Pay. Of course, first is convenience, so you can make payments quickly and easily using your device. The second, of course, is security. So Chase Pay uses tokenization and encryption to secure your transactions, so you don't got to worry much about security. Of course, the third is rewards. So you can earn rewards and points on eligible purchases. And the fourth, of course, is wide acceptance. So Chase Pay is widely accepted at millions of merchant stores worldwide. So you're gonna be able to use it almost everywhere. So yeah, a couple of tips for using Chase Pay. I got 4 tips for you guys. The first, of course, is to keep your device up to date. Ensure that your device as well as the Chase Pay app are updated with the latest security patches. The second, of course, is to use a secure internet connection. So you want to use a secure internet connection when making payments with Chase Pay, so you don't lose valuable stuffs. And then, of course, once you lose that, hackers are going to be able to get into your account. So just make sure you use a secure internet connection. The third, of course, is to monitor your account activity. So even though you're keeping all of these other security measures, I would also advise that you regularly monitor your account activities for any suspicious transactions. You'll be able to detect that on time. Of course, if you have any issues, you can always just contact Chase supports. Just reach out to their supports, and they're going to help you to sort out those issues. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that helps us out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.